Welcome back. This is your final video instalment about exhibiting at the Farnborough International Airshow. By the 11th of June, show build will be officially underway. It's not long until the start of the world's biggest, busiest and most exciting airshow. Here are a few last-minute items you'll need to complete to ensure your experience is as successful as possible. We've provided a fantastic backdrop. It's now down to you to generate the business opportunities. Here are a few things you should consider to help drive traffic to your stand. The official trade catalogue will be printed soon. Please make sure you've completed your entry via your eNet account. Book your catering. If you have a meeting or event taking place during the show, food and drink is a great way to make the experience better. Whether it's a breakfast meeting or announcement on your stand, our official caterer can provide varied and high-quality options. Are you launching a new product or aircraft, making an announcement, or looking to demonstrate an innovation? Share your news via your digital press box. Available to purchase via the Your Show profile option on eNet, your news releases will automatically be added to our website. Explore our social media channels and hashtag, and we'll try to share whatever news you have. Our news channel, Fin, will be highlighting the best of the show and broadcasting across the Fin Live large screen network and online. Visit the Fin Live studio located by the Insight Theatre in Hall 4 to see all the action. Arrange meetings on your stand. Your eNet account allows you to arrange meetings with other exhibitors and order daily visitor passes to invite guests to the show. Remember, visitor passes, in addition to your free allocation, can be purchased via your eNet account. Please note that visitor passes need to be paid for in advance via credit card. The welcome reception will take place in our new showcase facility, Hall 1, on Monday the 16th of July. The ultimate networking event. It's a great way to meet fellow industry colleagues. Tickets will be available to purchase from the People Passes Rooms and Tickets option in eNet. Keep a lookout for other networking opportunities, including Fin sessions, exhibitor events and other conferences via our website. Remember that the show build ends at 7 p.m. on Friday the 13th of July, and we'll be operating a rehearsal day on Sunday the 15th of July to ensure the show runs smoothly. You'll be able to make finishing touches to your stand and familiarise yourself with the site. Remember, your experience is important to us, so if you have any queries or questions, contact your client liaison, who'll be on hand to help. You're now ready to do business at the Farnborough International Airshow. We wish you every success. Enjoy your week, and remember, your future starts here.